Hey guys, what's going on? Darryl Addison at Torpedopot.com. Darryl Addison at Torpedopot.com, and looking at one of our evergreens that's been growing through the wintertime. We're preparing it for the summertime so we can actually put it in the soil outside, and then we use the same planter to grow our plants in our next food marketplace here. So we can actually grow this and grow tomatoes and lettuce and onions or whatever. Well, actually, you can actually put them in together and grow it together. But this is going through the winter season, so tomatoes and onions and all those cannot go through the winter season in most regions. But look at that, that's amazing. Look at that. So I'm going to pull it out because I want you to see exactly what it looks like when it's maturing in a torpedo pot. Okay, let's take a look at this. Let's pull this out. Can you see that now? That crevice coming. See how connected? Oh, that's so beautiful. This is what it looks like. That's what it looks like. Yeah, look at that. Isn't that amazing? That's what it looks like, guys. It's been really saturated. It's been doing so well in this heavenly environment. I hope the ground treats it well. I hope the ground treats it well. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com. And we make self-growing planters. They grow your food for you. Talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.